interesting tutorial about Chrome browser search tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to enable or activate touch to search on web page using your Chrome browser. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Chrome browser. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, you can use these incredible features of touch to search in Chrome browser. I've opened up your Chrome browser. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. If you have not logged into your Chrome browser, consider to log in with your Google account. After a successful login to your Google account, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Google Services. Then here you go. The next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on touch to search. Just like so. Now, learn about topics on websites without leaving the web page. Select one or more keywords to search for them. All you have to do is to make sure you turn on this. Boom, you are done. Include surrounding text in Google search. By including more of pages text, you might see better results. Go ahead and click on here to turn this on also. And you are done. With that, you'll be able to search for different words selected from the web page without leaving the same web page in Google search. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.